In this episode, I challenge the guys to a time trial challenge on our homemade crazy kart, the Chaos Kart. So we scouted the town, found a local trail, and set up a course to see who could complete it in the least amount of time. All right, bub, so what are we doing? Time trials. Today we're doing time trials. Oh, he about big, dude.
All right, this is run 2. It's not gonna be as nasty as the first one, but we'll fucking see. Am I good? Dude, I was so squirrely at the beginning, dude. That was so hard.